Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we are going to start from the front plane. So we'll select here the XY plane. Take here the rectangle command. Take 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point, make the rectangle profile, go to dimension. Here we will define this. Okay, so this here will be 37.5 mm and the height will be of 30 mm. Okay, now go to line command, make one line from this end, make one straight line and one joining line. Go to dimension. Here from top end, this edge here, this will be 45 mm. Okay, and this height here will be of 15 mm and the outer dimension from center will be at 75 mm. Okay, now I want similar profile this side as well. So go to line command and here from this center point make a straight center line. Okay, we will take upside. Escape, select this center line, make it construction. Now go to mirror and select this profile. Go to mirror line, select this center line, apply and done. Okay, so we have a complete profile. Go to part 1, go to front. We have started from this view. Okay, to make it more easy. Now here go to part 2, finish sketch. Here take extrude, select this complete profiles. Here take symmetric and the dimension here will be 40 mm and press OK. Okay, now go to part 1, go to home. Now we have taper profile. Go to right view. Here you can see a taper profile is constructed. Go to home, go to part 2, select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate. Here take the line command, select this endpoint, make the joining profile and here till here and till here. Similarly select here, select this end, select here and make a joining profile here. So these are the cutting profiles. Go to dimension. Here the center dimension will be of 15 mm. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select this center and select this center. Okay, escape, go to dimension, select this and from center point this will be 7.5. Okay, now it's completely okay. Now escape. Now here you can see there is any movement. So here we have a movement of this line. So select coincident, select this point and select this line. Now escape. Okay, now this is also constrained. You can see here fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile and select this profile. Here take cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Go to home, you can see the profile and from top you can see the main chain. This is flat and this is a cut profile. Now I want similar cut this side as well. Go to home, take here mirror command, select extrude 2, go to mirror plane and here go to origin and select the YZ plane and press OK. Now go to top view, you can see the same profile. Go to home. Now here go to part 1. We have constructed this outer profile. Now we are going to construct this face. Okay, go to part 2, select this face, go to create sketch. Here go to the arc command and take 3-point arc. From this endpoint make the arc profile. Go to line. From here make the straight line. Escape. Go to the arc command and take 3-point arc once again and make one arc profile here. Okay. Now this is a rough sketch. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select the center point. Go to dimension, define this as 3 mm, define this as 7 mm. Now here go to tangent constraint, select this arc, select this line. Okay, select this arc and select this line. Now go to dimension. The center from here, this will be at 17.5 mm. Okay, and the distance of this, okay, for angle, go to line. From here we will make a center line. Escape, go to dimension, define the angle here as 45 degree. Okay, now escape. Select this line, make it a construction geometry. Now here I want the same profile other side as well. I'll make it more clear. Okay, so these are the profiles. Now go to the mirror command, select both the profiles, go to mirror line, select the center line, apply and done. Now go to line command and join this profile. Okay, go to escape and here go to tangent, select this line, select this arc and escape. So this is constrained now. Now I want the same profile this side as well. Okay, to make this profile, go to line command and from here make a center line horizontal. Escape, select this line, make it construction and here go to mirror command, select this complete profile, go to mirror line and select this horizontal line, apply and done. Now go to line command and make a joining profile here till here. Okay, escape, go to line once again and here and here. Okay, now escape. Now here go to circle command and make the circles here of 8 mm. From this center point also 8 mm. Here also 8 mm and this also of 8 diameter. Okay, now free sketch, go to extrude, select this profile. Here we'll reverse the direction and give a dimension of 10 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. So go to part 1. You can see the same profile has been constructed. Now we are going to make all the cutting profiles. This cut profile, this cut profile. Okay. Now go to part 2. Select this face, go to create sketch. Now as we have constructed all the solid profiles, now the cutting profiles will be constructed. For that, go to circle command. From this center, make a circle of diameter 30. Okay. Now here go to project geometry, project this line, this and this. We will not select this. Go to offset, select this and select this. Drag the cursor inside, enter and we will give an offset distance of 5 mm and escape. Okay. Now here go to line command, make multiple lines here, first, second, third and one more, fourth. Now escape. Now here go to dimension, define this as 15 mm, define this center to center as 5 mm, define this as 15 mm and define this as 5 mm. Okay, go to line command and make one more line passing through this, escape, go to dimension, define this as 10 mm. Okay, and now here this profile is complete. Now go to line command. From this center point, we are going to construct a vertical center line. Escape, select this line and make it construction. Okay, now here go to mirror command, Select this complete profile, go to mirror line and select the center line. Apply and done. Okay. Now we are left with the circles. Go to circle. Here on this center we are going to make dia 8. In previous sketch also we have defined, but we by default took whole extrude, so these circles are not visible in this profile. Okay, you can go there or you can make the circles here only. Go to coincident, select this and here select the center, or take concentric, select this arc and select this. Okay, now we have different dia circles here. Go to equal constraint, select this circle, press Ctrl, select this and select this. Okay, now finish sketch. Now we have multiple profiles here. Go to dimension, extrude, select these circular profiles. Okay, select this circle, here click on cut and here we'll take all. Now go to profile selection again. Now we'll select this 15 width, this 15 width and this 10 width. Okay, same selection will be here, 15 width, 15 width and 10 width. Okay, and press OK. Now you can see the whole complete profile. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command and here we are going to make circle of dia 8. Go to vertical constraint, select the center, select this, go to horizontal constraint, select this center and select this. Finish sketch. Here take extrude, select the circle, take dimension 15 mm and press OK. Okay, and here go to the mirror command, select this profile, go to mirror plane, go to origin and select the YZ plane. Okay, same profile will be constructed here, press OK. Now here we are left with the radius over here, so go to the fillet command and take a radius of 2 mm. Select this corner, select this corner, select this corner. Okay, rotate, select this corner, select this and select this. Once more rotate, select this and this, rotate again and select this and this. So we have selected all the 4 corners of these profiles. Now press OK. Go to home. Okay, you can see the radius and this is flat. So go to mirror, go to fillet 1, go to mirror plane, select YZ plane and press OK. Now you can see the profiles. Okay, now go to front view, select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle command and make the circle here of dia 5. Similarly one more of dia 5. Go to dimension. From this edge the center will be at 8.75 and from this edge the center will be 8.75. From base the center will be at 5 mm and this also at 5 mm. Go to finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles, go to cut and here we'll take all. Finish sketch. Okay, this is the home view and okay. So the holes will be this side as well. Go to home. I think we have completed all the things. Okay, so this will be the final output. Now we will define the appearance. For appearance we have taken the yellow color, so here we have taken smooth yellow. You can take any color as your wish. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a complex 3D models in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.